Alright, so hopefully this is going to be the last lecture in our series of object-oriented programming. And by now you should have gotten a pretty good sense of how classes work, how child classes work, how functions and attributes of classes work, stuff like that. So now, lastly, I just want to talk about overriding methods. So I'm going to create, again, a class parent. And over here, I'm not going to put in any initialize function. I just want to call, I'm going to create a function called this is a func, or actually something simple. So I'm going to call this def func, and it's going to take in the parameter called self. Okay, and I just want to say print this is a parent function. Okay, very simple class, very simple function. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with a child class. So instead of typing it all over again, I'm going to go to this line, hit enter, and then I'm going to change this to child, make it a subclass of parent, and then change this to this is a child function. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new instance of my child class, and now if I call my func, what do you think will happen? Will it print this is a child function or this is a parent function? Don't hit enter yet, just think about it. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Just think about what will happen if we hit enter right now. Alright, so we're probably wondering, well, why is this printing a child and why not parent? And the reason for this is the whole concept of overriding methods. You can always override your parent class methods. This is something that is set in Python, set in almost all classes, where if I create a same function as in my parent class, I can always override what it does. The whole concept of override means whatever was there will be removed and the new code will be run. So the reason for overriding might be that you want special or different functionality in your subclass, and that's exactly what we have done. Alright, so fantastic job. We have now covered some fantastic topics in Python. We started off with the basics, data types, variables. We then moved on to if and else statements. We learned about commenting, loops, functions, inbuilt functions in Python, and we finally ended with object-oriented programming. Awesome job, guys. So if you've had any questions throughout these first 30 or so lectures where you've been wondering, hey, what's this, what's that, how do classes work, why object-oriented programming, please don't hesitate to leave a discussion, leave a comment in the forums, and I'll get back to you pretty soon, hopefully, and I hope to see you in the next lecture.